our crew's making their way toward the dock, taking the slow roll approach. The current is kind of ripping today. Been giving some of these guys some fits, and we're going to see how Captain handles it as he makes his approach. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Black Point. And where are you going, Cap? He is in reverse and has decided to back off that dock, but he was backing up a little hot. We're going to make a second attempt and try and come back around on this. So we're going to make the wide come around this time, and let's see how this one fares. I mean, my man, they've got a line out, a fender out. They're kind of on the ready. He's testing his line. So they're going with the one line approach where we've got it on the front and the rear cleat. I guess we're going to try and get off and just wrap that around a pole, but I don't think they left enough slack on that. I'm not the biggest fan of the one line method. Let me know in the comments below how you do this, guys. If you use the one line method, does it work for you? I'm still just a two line guy. For me, it's mid cleat, stern cleat, let's roll. And speaking of let's roll, here we go. So heavy bow in. Our guy goes for the grab. Hand on the pole, but pushes it back off. Oh, now he's trying to pull it back in. Can't quite figure out what to do. Cap, you're going to have to give him some help. And he's trying to, now you've got the one line approach and it's not going to work, bro. That's why the one line approach doesn't always work out well. We got Wifey off the boat and he drops it. And he's able to recover before the boat drifts off. But man, they're just a mess right here. So Wifey finally takes control a little bit and she's going to get this brought around. But definitely the two line approach might have helped them just a little bit better than this one line approach. So our one-liners are now trying to get the boat on the trailer. And we're doing it for distance. I mean, they've got about 15 foot of this bow winch pulled out. I just got a feeling, guys, you don't have this trailer back far enough. If that's all we could do. But look at it, it's just unwinding. I mean, look at that handle just spin, bro. So, there we go. I guess we got it far enough out. We're going to try and winch her up. This is probably a good way to snap a winch strap. I mean, just look at how high the bow roller is compared to where the bow of this boat's going to be coming up. Man, he could come back probably another 6 foot to 10 foot. I mean, the wheel wells are not even barely, they're not submerged. I mean, typically that's where I look, is those wheel wells, we're looking for them to be just barely submerged. And here we go, our guy, he's figured it out, light bulb. We're going to try backing this one up a little bit. Probably could keep coming. It's a good spot right there. Might be a little deep even now, but they're going to have a much easier time with this. And we're starting to get it up. But here comes the party. My man, pontoon guy, coming in. Gonna probably steal the show. The Haulover Slayer itself. What in the world is going on here? There's something hanging off the back of this that's like aluminum. Did they try going through Haulover Inlet and wrecked it already? I'm not sure. Bro, you're backing into the dock. And pontoon man creating a show already. And he's got himself into some mischief here as he's stuck in between the two docks now, trying to get back out. And I would be careful standing on the bow of this boat. Oh, there we go. Actually, he was there for the save. So we can't really dock like this, guys. You're not going to be able to pull the boat on like that. Oh, he got off. We're doing the push off. And no lines on the ready. Somebody probably should have had some fenders out because we could definitely use those. And our assistant's now on the dock. Careful, look out, incoming. Oh, this guy doesn't even know, bro. Pontoon man will take you out, son. Always got to be careful around the docks, guys. If you see somebody really struggling trying to get onto a dock and they start coming at you like that, you probably want to just get out of their way. Getting a little heavy with the throttle hand. Pontoon man, come on in. Round number 2. Show us how it's done this time, bro. Coming in hot. A quick little brake check. He's gonna switch docks. So our assistant, we can see him here. He's running from the dock on the right over to the left. Try and give him the assist over here, but he's missed that dock too. So coming back around. And he's, well, he came back in. Which one are you going for, bro? We going left or right? So it looks like he's going to attempt the left since his assistant is now over there. Gonna come in bow first. Line toss. And it looks like the toss made it. He's giving him the... Oh, no, it did not make it. He's giving him the kickoff. But we're like sideways here on the dock. And, man, our party crew's coming in rolling. So Pontoon man's left the helm. Trying to get another line rolling here. And the struggle is real here at Black Point. Oh my gosh. I mean, they're kind of on. I'm mesmerized by this, though. I can't look away until they're officially there because really they're still not fully on here. Did we get a stern line? I mean, I see a secondary line, but I can't tell where it's even tied off. So, Cap's got another line up here looking to do something with it. And yes, that was the secondary line, it appears. It was just not tied off anywhere. So Cap's going to take care of that one and try and get him over. Bro, I don't think I'd dock here. I'd pick any other dock besides 9. Probably not a good spot to be. I'm not sure if Pontoon Bro is done yet. So our guy gets it with the second toss. Maybe, I don't know, maybe he lost power too. I can't tell because he's coming in kind of funky as well. The Pontoon guy, looks like he's getting it pulled over. It looks like both of our crews will get it on from here. And they should be good to go. But speaking of good to go, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where me and a machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.